Welcome to Candyland Tiered Tray Open Collaboration. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Barbie Daily Rule Life in the Valley, and myself, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. If there's any other participants, they'll be listed in the description box below. Okay, here is an overview of everything I'm going to be using on the tiered tray. Some things I might be using, some I might just have sitting at the side. So I have, of course, my faux cupcakes, a couple Valentine signs, a couple of mushrooms, little pink risers, mint candies, and then I'll be using this cake stand for the bottom part of the tier tray. And then this will be the second tier. Now this little pink sign I just purchased at the Dollar General, and it reads, "All you need is love." Now the second cake stand that I added to the top, the one that said distressed white, I have added a little paper plate that says Happy Valentine's on it. Now I have these little paper heart-shaped doilies that I put on the bottom tier, and I'm just going to add the second cake stand to the top. I had to use a little coaster to elevate it so that this me and you sign would fit. Then I have these two little Valentine birds. So I'm going to place those on each side of the me and you sign. I think these little birds are so cute. This one's even got eyeglasses on that says BFF. Okay, next I'm going to be adding these little blocks that spell out KISS. Those also the Dollar General. Now I'm going to place this little pink riser or cake stand. I just recently purchased that at the Dollar General. I'm trying to decide whether to put a paper plate or one of those little heart-shaped doilies on top of it and add all my faux cupcakes. These I purchased from Amazon, and I have showcased them before. I'm just amazed how realistic they look. So I'm going to place that where the second cake stand is, in the middle. And then next I'm going to have this little cupcake holder, but it's full of candy, little pink mint candies. So those will go on the bottom tier, a little bit toward the back. I will show you all the way around here in a minute. Now here is a heart-shaped paper plate that I was going to put on the top cake stand, but I realized it was just too big, so I do end up using one of those heart-shaped doilies. Now the Be Mine sign, I'm going to add that to the top. So there's what it looks like to the front. All you need is love. Kiss me and you with the little birdies. All my faux cupcakes with the little glitter hearts in between each cupcake. And the Be Mine on the top. And I have this little heart-shaped box here with I actually put that together myself. It was stickers, and I just stuck it to the top and then added some more of the mint candy to inside. Okay, I did already light the candles, so I'm kind of giving you an overview of the tier tray and the top of the table with everything. And I will be taking you around to the other side of the table to see the back side of the tier tray. But it's looking pretty good so far, don't you think? Okay, the back, I have these little mushroom with hearts on it. My faux cupcakes, another mushroom, and a love sign. I did put some sparkly hearts under a cloche. But here is a close-up of the love blocks. That was Dollar General, as was the mushrooms. Well, I thought I'd show you what it was doing today. Snowing. I live in central Alabama. We rarely get snow, but we got like 2.5 inches today. So I'm giving you a quick little view of the snow. Okay, back to the tier tray. But I think that turned out really pretty. So I've got a mushroom on top, my faux muffins, little candies, little sparkly hearts under a cloche, and some really good smelling candles. I believe they're a watermelon scent. They smell so good. I like the fact that it's a pink glass. Yeah, watermelon. That was purchased at the Dollar General as well. I do shop the Dollar General a lot because it's convenient to my home. And you can't beat the prices. Okay, one last look at the tier tray. Well, I want to thank you all for watching, and be sure to check out the playlist. Be sure to leave a kind comment and a like for all that participated. Wishing everyone a happy Valentine's Day. Bye-bye for now.